In today's video, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of military unmanned aerial vehicles, showcasing 12 models that are transforming the battlefield. From high-altitude surveillance to precision strikes, drones represent the future of aerial warfare. So stay tuned and let's dive in. Number 1. MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems in the USA, entered service in 2007. This turboprop-powered UAV boasts a range of 1,150 miles and costs around $16 million per unit. Primarily used for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance and precision strike missions, the Reaper's multi-sensor suite includes synthetic aperture radar, electro-optical, infrared, and laser designators. Its high endurance and altitude capabilities make it a formidable asset in modern warfare. Additionally, its ability to carry and deploy various munitions, including Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs, enhances its strike capabilities. A notable operational highlight includes its extensive use in the Middle East, where it's been pivotal in counterterrorism efforts. The Reaper's ability to loiter over targets for extended periods and deliver pinpoint strikes has earned it a reputation as a versatile and reliable platform in the U.S. Air Force's UAV fleet. Number 2. RQ-4 Global Hawk. Northrop Grumman's RQ-4 Global Hawk, introduced in 2001, is a jet-powered, high-altitude, long-endurance UAV used by the U.S. Air Force and Navy. With an impressive range of 12,300 miles, each unit costs around $131 million. Designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, the Global Hawk provides near real-time coverage over vast areas with advanced radar and sensor systems. Its ability to stay airborne for up to 32 hours has revolutionized aerial surveillance. The Global Hawk has played crucial roles in disaster response, such as during the 2011 Fukushima nuclear disaster, providing valuable aerial imagery. Its sophisticated technology and high-altitude capabilities ensures it remains a critical component in strategic reconnaissance, offering unparalleled situational awareness and intelligence gathering. The Global Hawk's contributions to humanitarian missions underscore its versatility beyond traditional military applications. Number 3. X-47B. The X-47B, developed by Northrop Grumman for the U.S. Navy, began testing in 2013. This jet-powered UAV, with a range of 2,100 miles, marked a significant leap in autonomous carrier-based operations. With a development cost of $813 million, it's designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, but also for strike missions. The X-47B's stealthy design and ability to autonomously take off and land on aircraft carriers set it apart. A groundbreaking achievement was its successful autonomous aerial refueling in 2015, showcasing its potential for extended missions. This drone represents a future where manned and unmanned systems operate seamlessly together, enhancing the Navy's operational capabilities. The X-47B's innovative technology has laid the groundwork for next-generation naval UAVs. Its role in pioneering autonomous operations on aircraft carriers demonstrates the potential for reduced crew workloads and increased operational flexibility. Number 4. Bayraktar TB2. Turkey's Baykar developed the Bayraktar TB2, introduced in 2014. This piston-engine UAV, with a range of 150 kilometers, costs between $1 to $2 million per unit. Used for reconnaissance and precision strikes, the TB2's advanced targeting systems can carry laser-guided bombs and missiles. Its notable achievements include effective use in various conflict zones, providing crucial support in anti-terror operations and border security. The TB2 gained international attention for its role in the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict, demonstrating its effectiveness in modern combat scenarios. With its high precision and versatility, the Bayraktar TB2 has become a core cornerstone of Turkey's military UAV capabilities, showcasing its indigenous technology and manufacturing prowess. Additionally, its ease of operation and rapid deployment have made it a valuable asset in asymmetric warfare, offering significant tactical advantages. Number 5. Heron TP. Developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, the Heron TP entered service in 2009. This turboprop-powered UAV, with a range of 4,500 miles, is priced at $35 million per unit. Designed for long-endurance intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, the Heron TP features multi-payload capability, satellite communication, and advanced avionics. Known as the Eaton in Hebrew, it has been instrumental in providing continuous surveillance and intelligence gathering over extended periods. Its operational flexibility and advanced sensor suite allow it to perform various missions, from border patrol to deep strike reconnaissance. The Heron TP's significant endurance and versatility have made it a vital asset for the Israeli Defense Forces, enhancing their strategic surveillance capabilities. The UAV's role in monitoring and countering regional threats underscores its importance in maintaining national security and situational awareness. Number 6. Elbit Hermes 900. The Elbit Hermes 900, developed by Elbit Systems in Israel, entered service in 2012. This piston-engine UAV, with a range of 1,550 miles, costs around $30 million per unit. Designed for long-endurance intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, the Hermes 900 can carry multiple sensors, including electro-optical, infrared, synthetic aperture radar, and maritime patrol radars. Its large payload capacity and satellite communication capabilities make it a versatile platform for various missions. The Hermes 900 has seen deployment in numerous conflict zones, providing critical intelligence and situational awareness. Its advanced avionics and sensor suite have made it a popular choice for military forces worldwide, solidifying its reputation as a reliable and adaptable UAV. The Hermes 900's successful operations in diverse environments highlight its robustness and effectiveness in meeting complex mission requirements. Number 7. MQ-20 Avenger. General Atomics Aeronautical Systems MQ-29 Avenger, also known as the Predator C, entered service in 2009. This jet-powered UAV, with a range of 1,800 miles, costs between $15 to $20 million per unit. Designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, but also for strike missions, the Avenger features a stealthy design, internal weapons bay, and advanced sensors. Its notable capabilities include high-speed operations and reduced radar signature, enhancing its survivability in contested environments. The Avenger's development represents a significant evolution from its predecessors, the MQ-1 Predator and MQ-9 Reaper, offering improved performance and versatility. It has been used in various operational scenarios, providing critical support for intelligence and precision strike missions. The Avenger's ability to carry a diverse array of munitions and its advanced sensor suite make it a formidable asset in modern aerial warfare. Number 8. Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-B. The Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-B, developed by the Sukhoi company in Russia, began testing in 2019. This jet-powered UAV, with classified range and cost, is designed for strike missions and operating in conjunction with manned aircraft. Known as the Hunter, it features stealth technology, heavy payload capacity, and advanced avionics. The S-70's development marks a significant step in Russia's UAV capabilities, aiming to integrate autonomous systems with existing military assets. Its ability to operate alongside manned aircraft, like the Su-50, enhances its operational flexibility. The S-70's advanced technology and stealth capabilities position it as a formidable asset in modern aerial warfare. The Hunter's role in future combat scenarios is expected to revolutionize how unmanned systems are employed in conjunction with traditional air power. Number 9. Boeing MQ-28 Ghost Bat. Developed by Boeing Australia, the MQ-28 Ghost Bat, also known as the Loyal Wingman, began testing in 2020. This jet-powered UAV, with a classified range and cost of $20 to $25 million per unit, is designed to fly alongside manned aircraft, performing intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, and also for strike missions. The MQ-28's AI-enabled modular design and stealth characteristics make it a revolutionary revolutionary platform in modern air combat. It represents a significant advancement in autonomous air systems, capable of supporting and enhancing manned aircraft operations. The MQ-28 is part of the Royal Australian Air Force's vision for integrating autonomous systems into their fleet, offering increased operational flexibility and force multiplication. Its innovative technology positions it as a key player in the future of aerial warfare. The MQ-28's ability to adapt to various mission profiles and its collaborative approach with manned aircraft highlight its potential to transform air combat dynamics. Number 10. MQ-1C Gray Eagle. The MQ-1C Gray Eagle, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, entered service in 2009. This piston-engine UAV, with a range of 2,500 miles and a unit cost of $21 million, is designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, and also for strike missions. The Gray Eagle features extended range, satellite communication, and advanced sensors, including electro-optical, infrared, and synthetic aperture radar. Its operational flexibility and endurance make it a critical asset for the U.S. Army, providing continuous surveillance and precision strike capabilities. The Gray Eagle has been deployed in various operational scenarios, offering valuable support for intelligence and combat missions. Its advanced technology and capabilities position it as a vital component of modern military operations. The UAV's role in providing real-time intelligence and its ability to operate in diverse environments highlight its strategic importance. Number 11. MQ-25 Stingray. The MQ-25 Stingray, developed by Boeing and introduced in 2019, is a pioneering unmanned aerial refueling drone designed for carrier-based operations. This jet-powered UAV significantly extends the range and endurance of manned combat aircraft, with a unit cost of around $100 million. Capable of delivering up to 15,000 pounds of fuel to aircrafts like the FA-18 Super Hornet and F-35C Lightning II, the Stingray enhances the operational flexibility of carrier strike groups. A key feature is its autonomous aerial refueling system, requiring minimal human intervention. Notable milestones include successful deck handling trials and the first ever aerial refueling mission in 2021. Beyond refueling, the MQ-25 can perform intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance roles, using its onboard sensors to provide critical intelligence. The Stingray represents a significant advancement in naval aviation, integrating autonomous systems to support and augment manned operations, ensuring sustained air dominance and operational readiness. Number 12. XQ-58A Valkyrie. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions XQ-58A Valkyrie, introduced in 2019, is a low-cost, high subsonic speed UAV designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, and also for strike missions. With a range of 3,000 miles and costing $3 to $5 million per unit, the jet-powered Valkyrie offers a unique combination of affordability and capability. Its development as part of the U.S. Air Force's low-cost, attritable aircraft technology initiative aims to produce expandable UAVs that can be deployed in high-threat environments. The Valkyrie's ability to carry precision-guided munitions and its modular design make it a versatile platform for various combat scenarios. Its integration with other air assets and advanced autonomous capabilities highlights its potential to transform modern aerial warfare. The Valkyrie's role in cost-effective, high-impact missions underscores its strategic importance in future military operations. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the incredible world of military UAVs. From surveillance and reconnaissance to precision strikes and logistical support, UAVs provide unparalleled advantages, enhancing defense capabilities and redefining the boundaries of modern warfare. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of military UAVs. If you have any thoughts or questions, drop them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and stay curious.